Remember, we have used only 3 ingredients, but you can see the way my skin is so fresh, it's glowing, it's soft. Hello my lovely viewers, you are most welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I welcome to today's video. Thank you so much my return subscribers for supporting me. May God bless you abundantly. And if you're new, please, thank you so much for clicking into this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit on that bell button so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make yourself home coffee scrub with only 3 ingredients in only 10 minutes. This coffee scrub helps remove dead cells, hence leaving your skin soft and smooth. It will make your skin to glow. It will remove all the pimples and dark spots and many more use. So let's go in the kitchen and I show you how you can make this scrub in only 10 minutes. Yes, my lovely viewers, you are most welcome in the kitchen. So what we need is a clean bowl and a clean spoon. We also need coffee. You can use any type of coffee in the kitchen, in your kitchen. So that's the coffee I'm having right now. And we only need 1 tablespoon of coffee. That's my 1 tablespoon of coffee. We also need 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can use either white sugar or brown sugar. So for me, right now, I have white sugar. You need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Those are my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Yes. And this is not compulsory, but if you have it, you can add it there. If you don't have, you can use olive oil only. So vitamin E, it is not compulsory. If you don't have it, it's okay. If you have it, you can add it there. So after that, you have to stir until it makes a smooth paste. Yes, this is my smooth paste. That's my smooth paste. So guys, you're welcome back, and this is the coffee scrub we have made just there in the kitchen. I'm going to be showing you how you can use it so that it can work for you very well. First of all, you have to make sure your face is clean. This is our coffee scrub. applying my coffee scrub. Just as you've seen me, I've been scrubbing my face so slowly and gently. Now it is time to wash it off. Make sure you use lukewarm water to wash your face. So guys, I'm done with washing my face, and you can see how my skin is glowing. You can use it the whole body, and it will leave your skin super glowing. Remember, we have used only 3 ingredients, but you can see the way my skin is so fresh, it's glowing, it's soft. So guys, you can try this out, and I'm sure it will give you the same results. Thank you so much for watching up to the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Have a nice time. Bye.